तो फाल्गुनी, हाउ आर यू?
Sir, I'm fine. What about
आई एम गुड।
you?
कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके?
बहुत बढ़िया.
बहुत बढ़िया। फीलिंग गुड? फीलिंग बेटर?
Feeling good. Like I should.
Nice, nice. So good to see you. So good to see you. I'm really glad that you came in, and it's a proud moment as well because you were one of our students, and it's a really great achievement for us. It might be an achievement for you, it might not be an achievement for you, but it's an achievement for us. You being here. Thank you so much. Thank you
It's
so much.
achievement for me as well.
You as well? पक्का?
Yeah, it is.
ठीक है, सही है यार, सही है, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। तो मेरे पास दो पेज है। आज बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला हूं मैं। मैंने
सर
प्रिंट
पूरा
आउट
10th में नहीं पूछा आपने मेरे से क्वेश्चंस, आज
आई
सारे
नो राइट,
एग्जाम पूछोगे.
इतने सवाल मैंने पूरी जिंदगी में नहीं पूछे मेरे ख्याल से। तो आई हैव लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, तो मैंने एकदम प्रॉपर कॉर्पोरेट टीचर की तरह निकाल के रखा है प्रिंट आउट। स्टेपलर करने वाला था, सोचा नहीं पेज पलटना पड़ेगा तो स्टाइल से करेंगे। व्हाट आई थॉट। तो हाय यार, हाय फाल्गुनी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग। तो यार फाल्गुनी, स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो शैल वी स्टार्ट, शैल वी गो अहेड?
Yeah.
बस ये बता देता हूँ कि जो भी क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास हैं यहाँ पे, वो मेरे क्वेश्चंस तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। ये उन सारे बच्चों के क्वेश्चंस हैं जो नॉर्मली हमसे पूछते हैं बच्चे कि टॉपर्स कौन सा बुक इस्तेमाल करते हैं, वो इंसान है, वो मार्स से आए हैं, उनके पास उनका दिमाग कैसा है, उनका आईक्यू कितना होगा, वो सुबह उठते हैं, ब्रश करते हैं, ये सारे सवाल बहुत सारे इसमें हैं। तो मैं उस टाइप क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछूंगा, सो डू नॉट वरी अबाउट इट। ठीक है, तो
Yeah,
रेडी?
sir. Yes.
स्टार्ट, ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स मेक आवरसेल्फ कंफर्टेबल। आप कुछ हमारे आपके बारे में बताओ कि कहाँ से हो, कैसे हो, क्यों हो, जिंदा हो।
Good afternoon, all. My name is Falguni Chog. I'm from Panipat, Haryana. I'm doing my schooling from Delhi Public School, Panipat City. So, if I'll talk about my Vedantu journey, so back in 2018, I am connected to Vedantu since 2018. So, just the fact that I just took up a course last year only, and my first class with you was with you only.
अच्छा अच्छा ही है। आई होप यू डिडंट रिग्रेट टेकिंग क्लास फर्स्ट क्लास विद मी।
Yeah,
You
it was
regretted it?
great.
Oh my
It
God.
was great
It was
experience.
great actually. Thank God. Okay. Okay. So which was the topic which we took in the first session?
It was probably the light. No, no, not the light chapter. It was the human eye chapter. Actually, I joined in between, so
अच्छा
I didn't took up the course from the starting. I joined after the mid exams. It
अच्छा।
was probably September or October only when I
Great, great,
joined.
fantastic, fantastic. तो अभी हालात कैसे हैं? COVID-19 has affected any of your family members or it's good to go?
Actually, not in my family, but my relatives were corona
And
positive, but apparently they are fine now. They are all
they're
fine.
fine, right? Okay, great, fantastic, fantastic. So, so from starting you were in DPS or just changed to DPS for
I
your this thing?
was in Millennium School at first, and in 8th class, I joined DPS.
Acha, great, 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 fantastic, yeah, fantastic. So, okay, so I am pretty sure the exams were pretty long, and especially due to COVID-19 scenario, there was a lot of.
Not due to COVID-19. In my case, they were too long because I got a severe eye flu.
Acha,
So just a couple of days before the exam, like back in Feb 2020, on 20th Feb, it was my first paper, computer sciences. So on
hmm,
12th or 13th, I got a severe eye flu. So that
hmm.
affected me a lot.
Right, 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 right. And I think this was mentioned also somewhere कि you have this sort of bad luck कि जब भी exams आते हैं
No,
सब
there
हो
is
ही जाता
something with me. I don't know. For my 8th exams, I got a fracture in my leg.
है।
So
अच्छा, और 9th exam में?
no, and uske baad in my 9th exams, I got something infection in my eyes. It was something that probably some stone, but minor stone has entered. So it was like medicine dalwa ke nikalwana pada.
और 10th exam में दोबारा आई फ्लो हो गया।
हाँ, so exams, final exams में पता नहीं कुछ रहता ही है. It's something.
फाल्गुनी में कह रहा हूँ एग्जाम देना छोड़ दो। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है 11th में कुछ और होगा, 12th में कुछ और होगा, कॉलेज में जाके कहीं और चला
11th
जाऊंगा, मैं बताओ।
11th के तो ऐसा होगा ना कि कुछ आता होगा तो पेपर देंगे. ऑनलाइन की वजह से तो बहुत वो हो गया, एकदम से सब कुछ चेंज. तो इट्स क्वाइट
Oh my God.
डिफिकल्ट टू
Right, right.
हैंडल
So
एवरीथिंग.
I want to understand कि what was that feeling? Was it tough? Were you tense कि मैं एग्जाम दे पाऊंगी नहीं दे पाऊंगी?
I even thought कि I'll not be able to give any exam.
Mm-hmm.
So just my parents said, motivated me that no, you will give, because
Right.
my eyes were red as tomato. They were the right eye was so small and it was constantly watering. I had to keep a tissue on my eye and then I had to study from the other eye. So I
Oh
was
my
even
God.
said that it may affect a part of eye if I'll give it a strain, if I'll give the strain to the eyes. But then
Right.
apparently, because my first exam was this computer sciences and I didn't studied a whole year for this exam, I had
Right.
to do it.
Right. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. This is
At one
this.
point, I was like, no, 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 I'll
You,
not be able
so
to
what
give
about
it.
we completely lost hope? So I can see students joining us. Hi Pratyush, hi Sanjana, Yanshika, Bhuvan, Mukesh. Hi Amarjeet. So great, yeah, great, Falguni. So tell me one thing, ki, then at that particular point of time when you are almost lost hopes, what gave you hope again? Who inspired you? What inspired you? Who
No,
motivated you?
just the motivation my parents gave me, ki, no, you will do it. You are going to do it. Don't worry.
Right,
So
right,
that was the only hope I had, because I was like completely lost ki if
right,
I give my exams or not.
right. Understandable. So when did your eye fluid came all
Every
right?
everything was blurred with my right eye. I was seeing double vision.
Oh my God.
It was all blurred. So इस eye से पढ़ना was
या
too
या
difficult
या
for me.
फाल्गुनी पता है कितने लोगों को कितनी डिफिकल्टी से जाना पड़ता है दो दो चीजें देखने के लिए
No, no, no.
कितने क्या-क्या चीजें पीनी पड़ती है, क्या-क्या चीजें करनी पड़ती है, दो-दो चीज़ दिखते हैं तब लोगों को और आप आपको मतलब कुछ केवल दिख रही है।
Precaution. Still now also I have to take precaution for my eyes. But
ओह
then
माय गॉड यार!
it was okay when it was my maths paper on 11th of March. But
हाँ,
then
हाँ।
it was not all fine, but it was better than before.
So you mean to say कि your computer science exam was on February 20th. So
Yeah.
when you wrote down your Feb 20th computer science exam, you had the iFlu and you wrote it with it,
Yeah, I got my iFlu on 12th of Feb.
right? So you wrote one exam with the iFlu.
Yeah, I wrote it.
Oh my God,
I even
that was very
studied
intense.
for computer exam because apparently I didn't studied anything for the computer exam the whole
हाँ,
year, and even I missed my pre-board too because I was like, I have to make a timetable. I have to make a schedule for my computer sciences, but then I had to do it because my
okay.
parents told me that you can do it and you have to do it. So
Right. So their motivation was very important, and that they did a great job. I think we should clap for the parents right now here. I have one more question, Falguni. तो एग्जाम्स लिखने के बाद रिजल्ट से पहले रिजल्ट्स लॉन्च होने से पहले कितना टेंस थी हाउ टेंस यू वर मतलब क्या होगा क्या कि यू वर कॉन्फिडेंट कि नहीं मैंने अपना बेस्ट किया है एंड यू वर रिलैक्स्ड
my parents told me ki whatever the results would be, that's okay. If you are scoring even 85%, that's also okay. If you're scoring 95 or above that, that is also totally fine.
ओके
But then I was so tensed. I didn't even studied anything for 11th till the time results came out. I was like, no, pehle I want results. Uske baad I'll make a schedule for 11th.
अच्छा सो यू आर चिलिंग ऑल दिस टाइम
No, 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 no. I have started
अच्छा यस
studying
नो
now.
नो
Yeah,
until the result came out
yeah,
until the result came out you were chilling
yeah, I was.
okay so now tell me the
Not
feeling after
chilling
you
actually. I was so nervous about the result
nervous
because
अच्छा
science paper I remember was a bit difficult this time,
अच्छा
and I was like, I don't know whether I'll score 70 or whether I'll score 80. I was like, no, 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 I don't know what will it be, but
कितने आए थे
95. The
Ah,
main twist was with computer exam. Actually, I just studied 10 days with a proper timetable. I don't know how I studied with tissue or the handkerchief on my right eye. And then when I saw the results, I was like, the subjects for which I studied the whole year, I have scored 95, 96. And for computer science, which I studied 10 days, I scored 100. So that was a big situation. Like, how is that possible?
right. Oh my God. Oh my. I think it was the prayers of your parents and your hard work. That's all I can tell you. But
Yeah.
that was epic. That was epic, yeah. I thought you will say, हाँ sir 89 आ गया था. like 100 आ गया कंप्यूटर साइंस में, तो ऐसे फ्रीक्वेंटली
No,
जाता है
from the starting of the year, my computer science teacher told me that, Falguni, you can score 100 and you have to score 100. And at that time, we were just 2 or 3 chapters done. So I was like, yes, ma'am, I
Right.
will. I definitely will.
Right,
So
right.
till the end of the year, I was like, how will I score? I said my teacher that I will score, but how will I score? I've not even started studying for computer science. But then what I thought was, the computer science and SST are the subjects that will be gone forever after 10th. So maybe that was the main motivation.
Right.
I have to do it.
Great, great, great. So after the results, after seeing that you have scored 97.6, जिसके थ्रू 3 बच्चे पास हो सकते थे, वो आप एक में kind of
My
पास हो
parents
गए।
also said me this same
Exactly.
thing.
So 97.6 लाके कैसा लग रहा है? It might be a stupid question.
Though,
अच्छा लग रहा है।
at once I was like कि 98 से ऊपर तो आ जाना चाहिए, but then I'm happy with my results.
मतलब शर्म नहीं आती ना?
No, in the conditions I gave my paper, so I am very much happy.
But the condition should define your marks, not just
No,
not how
not conditions. Like I could have done more and more of practice if I was not having that I flew.
Absolutely.
So
I think I believe कि if you were completely all right, it was completely possible to score above 99. So Falguni, we are really proud of you for that. And you know, I think we should clap for you because you've done a fantastic, fantastic job. Great job, great job, great job. So now since you have a lot of free time and you had a lot of free time, what do you do?
actually, I do art sometimes. I have an art page as well on Instagram.
Ah, and
Yeah.
an NGO thing, right? What is that NGO thing which you actually forwarded to WhatsApp as well about one
Yeah,
organization? Yeah.
that is, I am a member of 2 student-led, youth-led organization. So
Uh-huh.
one is Kshitij and the other is Worldwide Shine. So what we do is we are trying to give our best to improve the society. In Kshitij, we conduct events, though we are conducting it online right now.
Right.
So what we do is the disabled children and normal children, we conduct their events together so that they do not feel that we are different from each other. And sometimes when we were kid, we also felt like ki why is he or she somewhat different from us. So we
Right.
just want that thing to get disappeared from the mentality of people. And
Okay.
at Worldwide Shine, we are working for spreading positivity and for environment. We are trying to plant as many as trees as we can. So we are working with that.
Very inspirational, very
Both
inspirational.
are both have been founded by my seniors.
Great.
They both
So
are
it's
in
very,
class.
very nice. At such ages, doing CSR is absolutely fantastic. Falguni, I'm really proud of you. Keep doing that, and do great here. And so, okay. So I have a very simple question. I think this is a sort of myth which almost all the students have it, and I'm pretty sure you also had it when you were in 10th grade. कि मतलब हर एक टॉपर का दिमाग अलग लेवल पे होता है, and the person studies 24 hours a day, 365 days a
Oh,
week,
no,
and every single day
I won't
without.
agree with that.
You
It
agree
is
with
not
that?
like that. If a topper, if a person wakes up at 5 a.m., he or she is a topper. It's not like that.
Uh-huh.
That
So
is a
according to you,
pure
what
myth.
defines a topper? What is the definition of a topper? Like, how did you score
The
so much?
person who gives all of his interest in, not in studies, like who is, if we are studying for 4 hours, and if someone is studying for constantly 12 hours, but if we are giving all of our concentration in that particular 4 hours, that is what matters, and not that you're constantly studying all over 24 hours and then uske baad you are sleeping in between, you are using your social media handles, and then you are eating and you're streaming Netflix. That won't make you a topper actually.
Right.
If you're studying for even 3 hours, just make sure you are on all your ears and you are focusing in that particular subject.
Okay. So we mean to say कि it's about the quality of time spent.
Yeah, it's quality of time and not the quantity.
Okay, okay, that's funny. So, how many hours did you used to study every single day? Like before the examination, during the examination, just before the examination? कितने घंटे?
Actually, in the starting, I tried making timetables. Ki yes, I will follow them, but apparently everyone knows that we follow it for the day or the two, and then on the third day it's like no, we can't follow, because we'll write that we'll sleep at 11, but then we are sleeping at 1 or we are sleeping at 9. So
Right,
from there the whole thing
right,
gets
right, right. Messed up.
pull it
Yeah.
up. Yeah.
Okay.
So then what I did was I made a to-do list kind of thing. I made a list. This chapter, this particular chapter, I have to do it in that particular day. And doesn't matter if I'm sleeping for 4 hours or 5 hours or what I'm doing, I have to do that particular chapter.
Acha. Great, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. So, Falguni, let's play a game now. Okay, a very small game. Ready? Okay. So the game which I call it as Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Movie देखी है?
I don't watch movies
You
actually.
don't watch movie?
No.
I had this much amount of respect for you. Know that is also gone.
No, I don't like watching movies.
So you don't like. So don't tell me you like watching serials.
Not serials, no no movies, and no series as well.
No series as well. What do you do then? Only arts and NGO.
No, not really. ऐसा थोड़ा ना कि I'm 24 hours I'm into arts. No.
Okay, so what's your sport? What gives you thrill?
It was probably discovering different kinds of things. Like I used to play piano when I was small. So in this lockdown, I found my piano out of nowhere. So I am trying to get back to it. I'm trying to play it somewhere. Ki kuch, if I remember.
I'm expecting a video made by you and send it to me on WhatsApp very soon.
Sir, आप reply तो करते नहीं हो मैं.
Reply तो करता नहीं हूँ मैं. तो पता नहीं क्यों. मतलब मैं पूरे स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी में बदनाम हो चुका कि मैं WhatsApp पे रिप्लाई नहीं करता, ईमेल पे रिप्लाई नहीं करता, टेलीग्राम पे रिप्लाई नहीं करता, सब जगह रिप्लाई नहीं करता मैं, है ना? क्योंकि मैं सेशंस लेता बच्चों की, इसलिए मैं रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाता.
You don't reply, इसलिए I won't send.
कर दूंगा. अच्छा, चलो गेम स्टार्ट करते हैं जिंदगी में दोबारा. इसमें मैं आपको एक वर्ड बोलूंगा. वो वर्ड सुनकर सबसे पहले जो आपके दिमाग में आता है, सबसे पहला, मैं आपको टाइम नहीं दूंगा. There is no, you cannot think on this. सबसे पहला जो वर्ड आता है वो आपको कहना है.
It's rapid fire.
It's very rapid, very rapid. ठीक है? Ready?
Yeah.
हर्ष सर. सोचना नहीं है. So you cannot think. The first thing.
Just a minute. Can you repeat? Actually, I lost my internet connection.
So Harsh sir.
He's a great maths teacher.
Great maths teacher. Maths. So
the subject I was afraid of till 8th class.
Okay, afraid of. Okay, science.
Most interesting subject as per me.
Abhishek sir.
Best teacher at Vedantu.
Physics.
Physics. I'm still afraid of physics.
Okay, mom.
My everything.
Okay. Dad.
My superhero, my mentor.
Okay. Mentor.
My dad, my family.
Okay.
My family only.
Family only. Okay. Relatives.
मत पूछना सर प्लीज. कुछ और पूछ लो.
Okay.
Dream, it's doctor. Becoming a doctor.
Okay, dream is a doctor. Okay, great. Okay, fantastic. Congratulations. मेरे relatives का answer बहुत बढ़िया लगा. बहुत बढ़िया लगा. Thank you so much for that.
It's better not to ask.
हाँ sir.
It's better not to discuss on this topic. नहीं तो बहुत ऐसा लंबा खिंच जाएगा वो.
Okay, let me get back to the next question now. So, so every student has their own mantra of success, है ना? सबका अपना तरीका होता है. Everyone has their own capabilities and abilities. So, what was your mantra of success? मतलब आपने ऐसा क्या किया जो आपको लगता है कि made that difference?
That is what I told, that I made to-do list rather than making a timetable. I am saying that it helped me a lot. Even in my winter vacations, I used to just keep constantly making that ki I have to complete this chapter in this particular day, or just because of this we are not time bound. What I feel is we're not time bound, so we can do anytime whenever we are free in a day.
Okay, so you are that part of the category who does not make time constraints rather than you make it topic constraint. The way topic है करना है जितना भी time लेना है कर सकता. Right?
See, timetable, everyone knows that we'll follow timetable for the day or two, and then after that we'll not be able to do that. So rather make a topic wise schedule rather than making a time wise.
Right. So you prefer making topic based schedule. Now, where did you get that idea of? Did you spoke to your seniors or this was you कि ये मेरे लिए सही है?
One random day, I just realized कि making timetable is a waste of time for me. I don't know about others. So I just randomly wrote down कि I have to do this and this and this, and I placed it on my table. So when I completed that particular whole topics that day, I realized कि this is a much better way to study than making timetables.
Okay, so do you recommend the same thing to other students also, or
I
do you think?
will definitely recommend. Yeah.
Okay, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. So topic-based schedule rather than time-based schedule is better, is what you say. Okay, great,
Is
fantastic.
much better. Is much better.
Right, right, exactly. So now I think we already discussed this question, but I would like to resurface this when the question comes कि हमें लगता है कि टॉपर्स ना हमेशा पूरे साल चिल रहते हैं, काम रहते हैं, पैनिक नहीं करते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, एग्जाम से पहले, एग्जाम के दिन, एग्जाम के बाद हो, उनको उनके दिमाग में वो इमोशनल चेंजेस नहीं रहते हैं. Is that true? Is that true? Agree.
So it actually depends person to person. What I'll
Achha.
say is.
So that means you have seen people who are calmer than you. Definitely. Acha. Interesting. Okay. So
They studied at the last and are scoring same as me or above 95. So that is something I can say is it depends on person to person.
Right.
Because I was the one who is like constantly we need to keep in touch with studies. Like we just can't leave physics for 2 months and then we are jumping on it and then saying ki we'll complete it in the end. So even if we complete it in the end, the main thing is knowledge. So you won't get the proper knowledge you are getting on studying on time.
Right. It's very amazing to see ki you already started the statement saying that ki you had eye injury, you have eye flu, and how you overcome with it. So how much do you think is the parents' involvement and parent support is important in the students' life, especially during the board years?
Somewhere it's more important than even the teachers are the ones who will teach you ki, okay, you have to do, they'll direct you, but the thing is you have to do, and even if you do and you don't have the support of your parents, you lack somewhere.
Right. So you mean to say कि self motivation अपनी जगह है, teachers की motivation अपनी जगह है, लेकिन parents की motivation अपनी जगह है, right?
All three have different places. You can't just compare each of them.
Right. Any statement, any thing which you would like to tell out to all the parents out there, because this video is going to be on YouTube and everyone will be watching this. So I really want to know ki, any word which will be putting it out to the world out there, especially to the parents, कि कैसे support करना है, क्यों support करना है.
If your child needs you, just please understand their things. If they are saying like, see, most of the parents, what they do is they are like no, if you're not you're not scoring good numbers, you won't bring laurels to the family. But that is not something. If you have ample of knowledge, then what will numbers do?
Right.
So that is something every parent needs to understand, that rather than focusing on numbers, please focus on your children's knowledge and their talent.
Right. And that's what your parents did as well, right? And we can see the results right now in front of you. So I'm really sorry I'm picking this topic up, but I think I need to. How did you tackle your relatives?
That's okay. Like, how did I tackle?
Very common, scenario जो हमारी society में relatives का जो pressure है, which many students.
Exactly. My parents were satisfied with what numbers I'm bringing, so I don't think I need to worry for my relatives.
Right, it mattered.
That's okay if I'm even scoring 75% or 65%, and my parents are still happy that yes, you did it. So what will I do with my relative thoughts? Ki what they are thinking about me.
Right. Any statement which you'd like to give to the relatives out there?
Nothing.
Pakka, you don't want to start a fight, I guess.
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to comment. Oh my God, you look so scared when the moment I say relative. Okay. So let's come to the core of the examination. I want to know कि इस साल का पेपर कैसा लगा? Like 2020 का पेपर कैसा लगा आपको? It was difficult. It was easy. All the papers included.
Science was a bit tricky, not a bit difficult. It was a bit tricky. and rest of the papers were very easy. Like maths was especially, that was so easy. I
Hmm.
used to finish my maths paper just a minute before the bell rang, but
Right.
I just finished it half an hour before, 1 hour before, and I was wandering here and there, seeing people,
You
and
finished it just 1 hour before.
even I rechecked my paper twice. After that, also I was having 15 minutes, and I was like, what to do now?
अच्छा, तो मैथ्स तो इतना easy था. अच्छा.
Maths was very
Okay.
easy.
So I went through the science paper and I found it a bit tricky. You know, 2-3 questions were a bit tricky in almost all the sets.
That cheetah one, cheetah
Yeah.
wala
Yeah,
question.
yeah. And few resistance questions as well. It was good though, but it was entertaining. मतलब
Yeah,
मैंने ये statement दी थी when I saw the paper on YouTube कि मजा आएगा ये करने में paper. Right? Great, fantastic. So so which subjects did you think कि it was your strength and it was your weakness? You already said कि computer SST में 100 ला सकती थी आप, but और आपने computer में 100 लाया भी. तो the point is कि आपको क्या लगता था कि मेरा strength है, मेरा weakness है?
strength was science only, जिसमें मैं सबसे कम number लाई.
अरे अरे
कोई बात नहीं, but I think कि I got ample of knowledge from my normal tuitions and then Vedantu and then school. So that's enough. That will help me in my 11th, 12th and after school life.
absolutely.
Yeah.
And as you already
So,
said, knowledge is more important than marks.
sorry.
As you already said, knowledge is more important than your marks.
Knowledge is more important than marks. And what was my weakness was I was afraid of maths till ninth, mid ninth.
Hmm.
So after that, I gradually started developing interest somewhere in mathematics.
Hmm.
So, and then it was the SST which I cried for every time. I cried for just a day before pre-board one. I was crying and saying my mom that I don't know anything. What I will write in tomorrow's exam. So she was like, "You have studied enough. Don't worry. Don't worry." So still also I was crying. I was like, "No, I'll not be able to do that." But
Right.
then it went well.
I'm really glad it went well. Really glad it went well. क्योंकि SST सिर्फ एक इंसान को नहीं, हर एक इंसान को probably करती है. But
Especially somewhere I used to do, you know, history was the part where I was a bit confused. Somewhere I did political science, then geography was also done, and eco was something I used to do just a day before the exam.
अच्छा.
So history was the main part which I cried for.
Okay. Okay. So which books did you follow for all these subjects? Were it the common NCERT or
What
did you
I want to say is, first of all, please go thoroughly through NCRT, and then if you have some books with you, you can just use them. But
Hmm.
first of all, please do NCRT, because I myself did NCRT twice or four times
अच्छा.
at the end of the session.
अच्छा.
So I just practiced it 3 or 4 times. It was completed.
For all the subjects.
Yeah, and for SST, I'll definitely say Evergreen, because I used Evergreen in ninth also and in 10th as well.
Hmm.
So Evergreen is the best guide for SST.
For science, for other subjects, you're saying कि any reference उठा लो, बस practice के लिए उठाओ बस.
Yeah, you just want a reference book for the questions, just to see how the questions appear in exams.
Right.
So you can use any book, but
Right.
first of all, focus on NCRT.
Right. Great. And this is what I tell my students as well कि पहले NCERT कर लो, फिर NCERT exemplar करना, फिर देखना वक्त
Ah,
बच
yeah,
जाएगा तो
example.
जैसे भी होगा.
I did a bit of exemplar at the end of the year. Just the gap, the 4 or 5 days gap between two papers was what
Right.
I did exemplar in.
Okay. Okay. Fantastic. And that just gives a lot of clarity. I'm going to ask you one, 2, 3 more questions. One question which is again related to you. Tell me, Falguni, how much it is important to do revision? And I'm not asking revision at the end of the year. How much it's important to revise, continuously revise, keep revising throughout the year.
If you're not doing revision, you will gradually forget everything.
Right.
So revision is the most important factor.
Right. So
Yeah. So
how frequent you used to revise?
So actually, what I did was, as soon as the chapter ended, I because I joined Vedantu in the end, so I was going for tuitions as well, normal tuitions as well. So there, so the ma'am used to take up the test regularly. So
Hmm.
that helped me in the revision, because if someone is saying that you need to give tests, so in under pressure you start preparing for it.
Right.
So practice is the most important thing, and the fact that practice makes a man perfect.
Right. Women also perfect. Now I can see that. Okay, that's fantastic. So one question to you, Falguni. I think this would break the norms ki, about online education, offline education. Can you please put some light on the fact ki, were you doubtful about Vedantu when you joined or before joining?
Actually, I was connected since 2018. Like I had an account, but I was not so sure ki what is it, how will I handle online education. But
Right,
then when I joined gradually, I understood everything. So it was easier for me to handle everything. Like I
right.
used to call the teacher who just contacted me for joining. So he used to help me. Ki, you do this or you do that. So it was a bit easy.
Okay, so now after given the examination, after knowing कि कितना वेदांत से मिला, कितना बात से मिला, how much of contribution do you think Vedantu has given in this?
Actually, so as I told, practice, that was the only thing I was doing on Vedantu because the chapters we were doing here, they were already being done in my school or in at my tuitions. So
Right.
what was happening was practice.
Hmm.
There was so much of practice that the quizzes, the let's solve wala thing, it
Right.
was helped me a lot.
Right. Do you believe this online education can actually bring a change in students' life going on forward?
Yeah, if a student concentrates, it really can.
Yeah. Okay. But where the online education, through Vedantu, was fun as well, was entertaining as well.
Yeah.
So
Jokes that
yeah.
you teachers did were the best.
Okay, any particular session which you remember which always stays in your memory? Any of the teachers Vedantu whom you have learned? Any one particular session which stands out? मतलब सोचती हो तो ये याद आता है.
I don't remember exactly, but one time I just remember that Amrit sir and you had some jokes there. I just missed out one session because of internet issues, and I don't remember exactly what the joke was. But that the session was way too funny. I remember. I don't remember the
I
actual.
think, yeah. Okay, I think it was the page number. I have the some percentage came out to be 600,
It
right?
was something like that. Some number I remember.
Yeah. तो अमृत सर को बहुत मजाक उड़ाया थी उस दौरान. क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया. So you remember that? You remember that? Okay, fantastic. This is great. So finally, we are now at the end of the game, and we are at the end of the session. It was a very fantastic session. Now I'm going to ask you a rapid fire round again. This is not like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. These are proper questions, but you have to be really rapid this time. हाँ, सोचने का वक्त नहीं मिलेगा. Cheating हो जाएगी बाकी बच्चों के साथ. ठीक है? Okay. So let's get into serious stuff. 10 questions straightforward, one word or one statement answers. ठीक है? It's not should
Also,
be.
at the end of the session, वो आप एक बार अपना dialogue बोलना that, hey guys, hi, this is Abhishek, your master teacher of physics at Vedanta.
पक्का ये आपको बोलना मेरे साथ. ठीक है? मैं टीचर बोलूंगा, स्टूडेंट बोलना. ठीक है? डन. ओके. Great. Ready?
Yeah,
ठीक है. So dad or mom, who scolds you the most?
dad, probably.
Probably दोनों equally मतलब almost. अच्छा, okay.
Not equally. Dad.
ठीक है. One friend who always had your back.
I never had true friends, so let's just leave this question.
Are you a early bird or a night owl?
Night owl.
Night owl. Science or English?
Science.
Why?
It's a bit more interesting for me. Like whenever I explore, it's something like explore. The deep you go, the more explore you will do.
Okay, I really hope Shraddha doesn't hear that. Okay, dream job.
Doctor,
Why?
I want to serve the society.
Favorite holiday spot?
Sorry,
Favorite holiday vacation, the destination?
Karnataka.
Karnataka. Oh my
I have
God.
visited Bangalore n number of times. Like many times I visited there.
Okay, why is that? Why Karnataka? Why Bangalore?
It's actually very peaceful, very green. So in north,
Bangalore
where
is
you
green.
will go, you will see all dust and garbage all around. Though I am from north, so I won't say much of it. But then there it's very clean, very peace and
Okay, I
green.
live in Bangalore and I can agree to it for a lot of reasons, but also not agree to it for a lot of reasons. Let's not go there. Okay, but okay, I'm really glad that you like Bangalore. Okay, if you get 1 crore in your bank account tomorrow, what will you do?
I don't want it.
Such diplomatic answers. Give it to your NGO. They will survive. Okay. You
Yeah,
can travel.
like if I'll just give it to needy people, but I don't.
You don't
So
want it.
directly, the person should give it to the needy, na?
अच्छा अच्छा ऐसे तो वेदांतु you were going to transfer ना yes to tomorrow to her transfer it to me. I am a very needy person. Okay, next question.
Okay.
You can travel the whole world, but someone should accompany you. Who will that someone be? One person.
My mother.
Mother. Okay. No dad. हाँ? Yeah, पापा पास में है क्या? पापा पास में है?
वैसे तो नहीं, अभी तो नहीं है।
कोई कोई भी नहीं पास में. अरे पापा ने मजाक करता हूँ. ठीक है. 200 और पिज्जा.
Dosa.
High five.
Actually, I miss eating dosas. Actually, when I visited Bangalore, so it was whole day of dosas, like in the morning, in the evening, at the night. Dosa idli, dosa idli, dosa idli. So
Bangalore had such a very bad influence on you. Oh my god. Okay. What hobby is the dearest to you? Reading a book or writing a story?
reading a book.
Reading a book, not writing a story. Okay, great, fantastic. That's the end of the rapid fire. Also, you did a fantastic job. I think you there were 10 questions, and out of this, I think you actually scored 7 points. बाकी दो में तो डिप्लोमेटिक हो गई थी और एक तो थोड़ा सा ढीला हो गया था. But well done. That's a good score.
Thank you.
That's a good score, Falguni. So Falguni, thank you so much for an amazing, amazing session, Falguni. It was really, really means a lot. And we are really proud here. Everyone here at Vedanta are really proud of you. You've done a fantastic job. And stay connected on WhatsApp. I'll try to reply as much as possible. And also,
I didn't saw any reply from past 3 months, I guess.
जिंदगी ने इतना गंभीर है. So, Falguni, any last words which you want to tell to the students, parents, everyone out there?
Just take it easy. Don't pressurize exams on your mind, please. Don't.
Right.
And then the point I told, just make to-do list and not the timetable, because it's very much time consuming, and then at the end you would not follow it. So rather go for the topic wise schedule.
Right. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much. So I think we should do that. Hey guys, I have a part. Ready?
Also, please, to all the parents out there, please don't judge your children by the number they are scoring. See
Right.
their talent. If they want to pursue dance for the further life, for the whole life, so let them go there. Just do not pressurize. The study is not everything. Everything has a scope in itself. So dance is also a higher scope. So just make sure
Very
you
inspiring. Very
are
inspiring.
with your children.
Thank you so much. Very good message and very inspiring with the work you're doing with the NGO, and all the best for your future as well. Maybe someday when I am ill, I'll come down to you when you are a doctor. Make sure कि आप free में मेरा इलाज कर दो. ठीक है? Okay, so I think we should do this. Yeah, ready? So we'll just go for hey guys, hi. This is Falguni, master student of Vedanta. ठीक है? तो master student.
आपका तो hey guys, hi, this is Abhishek, your master teacher of physics at Vedantu.
कैसी चल रही है आपकी जिंदगी?
कैसे चल रही है मेरे बच्चे लोगों की जिंदगी?
Fantastic. So, chalo, with that, I'll end the session. Thank you so much for being an inspiration to a lot of students out there. And do check this video out on YouTube as well. And we'll try to share as much as you are possible.
You are inspiration to many, not me. You have your fan base all over India. Like anywhere we'll go, we'll say Abhishek sir. अच्छा वो famous Vedantu वाले Abhishek sir है.
बस शादी नहीं हो रही. चलो.
सर invitation देना हमको भी.
टाटा.
Bye sir.
Bye.